on my way to dry boba tea. So going in, I did not know the price was going to be equivalent to a KFC Hot Wings big box, but it was too late to back out. So I looked around the place. It had an aesthetic vibe going on. They had blind boxes. Never seen that in Jamaica before. Why are these so cute but so expensive? Anyways, they had plushies and other big figurines and cute little turtles. I feasted on cuteness with my eyes, and in a jiffy, what I came here for was ready. A real milkshake with bubble in it. I don't even like milk, so I don't even know why I didn't just buy regular tea. But it is what it is. Here we go, first taste. Not what I expected it to taste like. The bubbles tasted like coffee. I don't drink coffee, but the milkshake tasted sweet, so balance. I'm trying to figure out if I tasted Oreo, cause is that not what I ordered? Anyways, my dad tasted it while we was waiting for his. He approved, but he got a honey melon bubble tea instead of a milkshake. Once again, I tasted no honey or melon, but it tasted fresh and nice, so I can't even complain. Definitely going back on my birthday. 10, well, not 10, 8 out of 10? That's right.